This is Joe, Cosmic Gardens Farmstead. I'm going to plant some potato seeds. Here's what they look like. They got their little eye buds on them. I hope you could see this, okay? And then I have my soil here, okay? And you put about, I say maybe a third of the soil in, moisten it up a little bit. Okay, and here's another one right here. And then take the potato, special seed potatoes from Minnesota. Put them in. Make sure the buds are facing up. Yeah, let me see if I can show you this. Okay. So the buds should be facing up. Right down in here. Okay. Here's what the buds look like. Looks nice potato. Planted in there. And then you cover it. Okay, I'm going to put 2 of them in here. And then we'll go from there. So, take another one. Put it on the other side. Push it down. Cover it. And then that's how you plant seed potatoes. Do this one now. Put it in. Okay, one more. And then you're done. Okay, this is Joe from Cosmic Gardens. I'm going to continue the video on the potatoes, and these potatoes were seeded 4 weeks ago, and in 4 weeks they have grown this tall. There goes a couple on the sides that I've already filled in some soil. What I'm going to do is, at this point, I have to fill it as much soil as I can, as long as below like 1 or 2 inches from the top of the rim. So I got my soil mixture. You could check that out on one of my videos, how to mix soil. I'm going to put it in. Just be a little delicate. Even though potato plants at this point, they are very hardy. Put a little more. Then at this point you're going to water it. Once it had enough water, there you go. I have about 40 more of these to do. You have a nice day.